Hey everyone, how's it going? So today what we're doing is we're going to attempt to set the stock powertrain record in the Hellcat REDEYE. So here's how we're going to do it. So today we're going to be doing an install on the performance development DERS diff brace. So along with this, we also have a set of welds. They're 18 by 6 in the front and 17 by 10 in the rear with the Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. So these tires combined with the diff brace should be enough to help us set the stock powertrain record. Not the stock record, because people think, you got to have the stock tires and everything like that. So we're going for the stock powertrain record, which I think right now is sitting somewhere around the 9.9, high nines, I think. And then the 10.1 I think is what's on the Dodge Garage's official website. So we're going to try and set that. And yeah, so once the tracks open up, I guess. And then we'll get started with today's video of installing this diff brace. And at the end, I'll put the wheels and tires on so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright everyone, so I just got the diff brace installed, and all we've done to the car now is that diff brace, and we've put on the weld wheels and tires. And that's exactly how we're going to try and set the record. Nothing else. 93, pump gas, that's it. So here's how the car looks now. Everything installed. Love these wheels. So we got the weld 18 by 6 in the front with the front runner skinnies. And then out back, the 17 by 10 with the, I think it's 305 45 17s. And that's it. So the ET Street R's back there, the front runner Mickey Thompson's up front, and that's all we're gonna do. And we're gonna go out and try and set the record. So the reason I think we're going to be able to do this pretty easily, I would hope, is we're a non-wide body car and we don't have the rear seats. So it's a rear seat delete from the factory, not a mod on my end. So a lot of the cars out there I know are coming with the factory rear seats, and they're coming wide bodies, and for good reason, makes great cars. But I wanted to go for as light a weight as possible so I could try and set this record. And so that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And have a good one. Look forward to seeing you guys later in some racing videos.